Hello folks, welcome to my channel. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about the new and upcoming SUV car in Indian market. The one car which every automobile expert and every automobile enthusiast is waiting to get the hands on this car. That is Tata HBX. Before starting this video, my sincere request is that if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and enable that bell icon for all the latest notification on my channel. Let's kickstart the video. As Tata launched their most awaited and biggest SUV Tata Safari in Feb 2021, and now they are getting ready to launch their smallest SUV in Indian market. It was unveiled for the first time as H2X concept at Geneva International Motor Show 2019, and with the new name HBX was showcased at 2020 Auto Expo. It was presented in an off-road format complete with roof rack, spare wheel and knobby tires, but when launched Tata HBX will be have an usual character of an urban car with front wheel drive, and this car is a little smaller than its elder brother Tata Nexon. From the outside, Tata HBX comes with all typical features of an SUV like the sculpted bonnet, prominent front large headlamps, rear bumper, body cladding, large alloy wheels and higher ground clearance. The overall design is inspired by a Rhino, which is known as its tough exterior, brutal force, rugged features. Rhino icons could be seen on the seats and the side window glass of the model that was showcased at 2020 Auto Expo. Talking about the interiors, the design element seems to have been borrowed from Altros. Things that immediately grab your attention includes the freestanding touchscreen infotainment system, leather-wrapped steering wheel with mounted controls, classic air vents with brown accents, and semi-digital instrument cluster. The car comes with an electrically foldable ORVM and automatic climate control. The design of the SUV will be in line with the newly launched Safari and its younger sibling Harrier. The SUV is expected to get the same split-style headlamp with LED DRL, circular fog lamps and new signature tri-arrow design mesh grille. The homegrown automaker has already confirmed that the production version of HBX will remain around 90% of its styling elements from the concept, and it's also justified from the spy shots of the car during the road test. When it comes to dimensions of HBX, the HBX concept measured 3840 mm in length, 1822 mm in width, 1635 mm in height, and came with a 2450 mm long wheelbase, and it will be remain almost unchanged when it hits the road this year. The HBX could be the same engine as used on Tiago and Altroz. This includes 1.2-liter petrol 3-cylinder motor that generates 84 bhp of peak power and 113 Newton meter of peak torque. Transmission is taken care by 5-speed manual gearbox. Just like Altroz, Tata has the advanced and versatile Alpha architecture platform. As Alpha can support multiple powertrains, Tata HBX could be launched in an electrical format in the future. If that becomes a reality, Tata HBX could be one of the most competitively priced electric vehicles in Indian market. Once HBX launched, it will be competing against like Maruti Suzuki Ignis, Vitara Brezza, Nissan Magnite, Renault Kiger, Kia Sonet and Hyundai Venue like suburban compact SUVs. The expected launch will be in between June-July of 2021 as Tata Motors aims to increase market share to 12 to 15% with the launch of HBX in micro SUV segment. And also the company has already trademarked the name Timaro in India, which could be the official name of the production spec HBX. As Mr. Pratap Bose, Vice President, Global Design Team, spoken about the Tata HBX in their official YouTube channel, this car has been designed by Italian designer and 95% of the car parts are in production state. As they want to grab micro SUV segment market in India, and the price will be very competitive and will be around 5 lakh ex showroom price for the base model, which is XC, as an introductory price. Considering the price point, Tata built quality for safety, brand value, and after sales service network of Tata, from my opinion, it's worth waiting while considering its competition. Please do comment and let me know if you're also waiting for Tata HBX or any other vehicle so that I can make a video of that topic also. That's all for today's video folks, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video and my effort, please give me that big thumbs up like button so it helps me to do more videos like this.